was a bus. Don't mind my hair. I'm about to get my hair dyed at Utopia Salon. Let me show you. This is the salon, and it's real cool. It's about 11 in the morning right now. We're gonna see how long it takes, but I definitely want to show you guys. I'm about to brighten up my hair.
Hi, how are you? I'm Melissa. They also call me Missy here at Utopia. My Instagram name is BELLA.MANI, which means beautiful hands in Italian. Please check me out. We're here today doing the rezocut class, and I'm doing it up on Po. We're gonna make her some nice copper, brighten it up. I can't wait for you to see it.
Okay, guys. So don't worry about my hair right now, because I know I'm about to get beautified up real quick. So I want to introduce you guys to Melissa.
Hey everyone!
And she's gonna be handling me today at Utopia.
We're gonna do it up. We're gonna do Po today. We're gonna make her bright, and while keeping the integrity of her curl. And I can't wait for you to see what we have in store. Yay!
So yes, I'm using my phone. But quite a little nice, babe. Who are you? I'm excited. I'm about to start. I'm about to drink some tea real quick. And then I just want to show you guys how much it looks for the before. Because we're about to brighten this joint up.
So now I'm painting on her little rezocut. We're going in between foil as well because I want to get her as long as we can get with keeping the integrity of the hair. So each section is holding the stand for about a half an hour.
Yes.
Painting away.
Period.
Now we gotta work.
And this lighting is impeccable. So we'll be next time. Good thing I did my makeup earlier. But I'm taking pictures.
Doing big things over here at Utopia. Doing big things. Okay. You put the dryer on for me, because I'm doing a B3.
First of all, let's talk
I'm
about.
giving you a treatment right too. Before I even transform you, just to keep the integrity of the hair. The B3 treatment is also going to rebuild the bonds of your hair and add a little bit more protein. It's going to also help hold the color itself a little bit longer.
What's it called?
It's called the B3 Brazilian Bonder treatment.
Some under the dryer. Oh, you can see the sign. I'm under the dryer at Utopia for 40 minutes. Can you explain one more time?
So
I'm putting a primer on,
Okay.
a cream primer. I'm gonna grab the section that I need and I'm gonna add water first and then apply the cream from roots to ends and just rake it through until I feel the right consistency from roots to ends.
Okay.
Right? And always wanna do the water to hydrate your hair and just keep that right consistency and let it help the product go through your hair. And after that, I'm gonna grab some gel, just like a little bit, a dime size, and then work it from roots to ends, right? And once I'm working it through, I'm gonna grab like a prayer, like with my hands, like if I'm praying, and just press that all the way down to the ends of your hair, and keep raking my fingers through. Once I feel that right consistency, I'll hold it on the ends and just give it a nice little shake, and then I'll give it a little scrunch too, just to help boost the curl. That's it. Now I'll go to the next section. I won't touch that section anymore.
Oh, snap.
And I won't blend it.
Oh,
You know how we could grab this section and then let me blend it all together. No, I want to keep every section like
how you did it already.
Like how I did it. I want like it to look like this.
Okay.
So when that dries fully, it's gonna open off its cast in that way. Let it dry for about 3 to 4 minutes and then grab the other section. This way the heat is working on that section for a while and let it like grab that fluid that it needs.
Go, girl.
You know this something is wrong with my stupid phone. Oh, wait.
I know.
So this is the finished product. And I don't know what to call it. Sugary champagne. It's like a pink hue around in it. I'm gonna come back in 2 weeks to just work on the health of my curls. Right now my hair is super duper like divine, but I still have my length. I still have all of it.
So hi everyone, super honored today with the Rezo Lights. And what is Rezo Lights? It's for every woman out there in the universe. My name is Nubia Suarez, creator and founder of rezocut. And now we're giving so much color and rainbow to the universe. Every curly girl should have a different shade of color. And today we start from orange to caramels to blondes to reds and to a little copper up there. And you know who you are. Thank you and welcome to the Rezo world.
Okay, that's a wrap. I got to go. And it is officially 6 o'clock.